Take a look at this drop top here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. And a 390 car, also Z, in the engine code spot of the VIN. So an original 390 V8 car. Also a true Galaxie 500 XL convertible. You can also tell that by 2 digits in the VIN and also on the door tag. Now, if you want to check those out, so you can see them in the still pictures, check the underside, interior, look at that VIN plate, door tag. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description, and it's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, writing on the 5-spoke kind of torque thrust style wheel. Does have power steering, power brakes, front disc. Also a power top, white vinyl power top. And we're going to raise that here at the end of the video, and I'll do a little walk around with it up so you can see it. It is originally a red on red car. So you can see the red vinyl buckets. A little wear here and there as far as the seats go. Looks like it could be original interior. Original looking dash. We'll get around to the driver's side here, start it up, let you hear it run, check out that engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The car is actually originally built in Chicago. DSO on it would be from Omaha, Nebraska. And you can see the paint. I mean, there's a few like light kind of scratches, little imperfection here and there, but overall does show well. One of those, get in it, drive it, have some fun, local roll-ins, local cruise-ins. How about just a Sunday out with the top down? And look the whole car over. There's over 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As we look up and down the driver's side. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Back seat. See, seat belts are still intact. And again, a few little spots where there's little wear areas, but pretty small. I did play around. The wipers were working. Radio does work. Blower fan works. So let's go ahead and start this 390 up. Let you hear it run. All right, fuel gauge also coming up, as you can see. Power top switch here, and the power top does function as it should. See if I get in a station. Yep, see here, radio does work. Of course, center console, bucket seats. Top of the dash. Nice responsive 390 under the hood. All right. There's no crazy exhaust, nothing over the top. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. I will pop the hood, let you take a peek at the engine bay, see that thing running, and then we'll put that top up quick, and I'll let you take a look at condition of the convertible top. And here we go, the hood pop. Check out the underside of the hood. There's that 390. Again, power steering, power brakes. Quarter barrel, of course. Like I said, it is a Z in the engine designation in the VIN number. Alright, so there you go. It's an idea of how it runs, how it looks underneath the hood. One last pause here. Let me get that top up. We'll check that out.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go with the top up. So white vinyl top, nice fit above the windshield. Take a look around this. obviously has been replaced along the line somewhere. Plastic rear window, FYI. Looks like it's pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. If you need it to keep you dry or out of the sun, it's going to serve that purpose. So there you go. 1967 Ford Galaxie 500 XL convertible. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.